What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Now, this is an absolute beauty, and you want to protect it. So what we're gonna do is I have a screen protector here from a great company called Whitestone Dome. Now, this is the dome glass for the cover display, and we're gonna set that up. They also come out with some of these other ones. This is a privacy screen protector for the cover screen. They also have a pretty awesome case. This is called the Escudo case. And what it is a heavy duty case, but it also has a built-in screen protector on the case. If you want to check those out, drop down in the description. I'll have links to all those. Also, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming, and hit that like button. That helps me out. So they pretty much give you everything that you need in this little kit for 2 screen protectors, I believe. Yeah, this is a 2-pack. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up, get it going, and I'll show you how to do it. Pretty simple. All right, so we got the fold here. We got all the accessories here to put the screen protector on the cover screen. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to turn off your Galaxy Z Fold5. Just recommend it. That's the volume. How you doing? So you go ahead and power that off. Boom. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip her over. You're gonna wipe it down. And then we want to put this on the frame here. This one here goes on the speaker grill. Each side, each speaker. Boom. And then you have another one for the buttons on the other side. What I would do is I would wipe it down one more time. And then you're gonna put it here in the guide. So you're gonna make sure that your camera is there. And then you just pop this in gently. Put that down there like that. Give it another wipe. All right, after you put it inside the guide, you're gonna take your glue absorber or whatever, excess absorbers, slide this in here on this side. This one's a little easier than the other side. And you're gonna grab this one and put it over here. This goes like inside the back there, like there. We're going to have this little guide piece here that goes at the top, snaps in like that. And then we're gonna grab our little cover for the speaker that goes around the guide here. And you're gonna grab your piece here that's gonna hold your screen protector so that it doesn't touch the glue. And then you're gonna grab your guide here, put that there, and grab your glue, purple side first, put that there. Then release it, let it out for about 30 seconds. It should all come out. And then you want to pull off your guide here. Put that to the side. So go ahead and take this off. Put this in here at the end. Let it sit on the guide. And then we're gonna push this down so the bubble goes to the center. You might have to help it a little bit. Get about there. Go ahead and pull out your guide. And then you're gonna let that go for about a minute so it covers the whole screen. All right, then you're gonna grab your UV light and you're gonna push it once for 15 seconds and do it on the bottom, middle, and top. All right, after it's done 15 seconds, on the top, middle, bottom, middle, and top, you're gonna go ahead and pop out your fold very carefully. And you're gonna wipe off all the excess glue. You see there's some there. You're simply just gonna wipe around the ridges there. And the good thing about the screen protectors is it's tempered glass, but it's also case friendly. And then we're gonna remove all the stickers from all the sides and then wipe it down so there's no glue. And then once you get all the glue off, you want to kind of wipe down in one direction. Make sure there's nothing on the speaker or any of the sides. Make sure everything's nice and clean and good to go. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your UV light and you're gonna hit the button twice and do 60 seconds on the bottom, 60 seconds in the middle, 60 seconds on the top, twice. All right, that'll do it. After you do the UV light 2 times to the top, to the bottom, middle, and top, you're good to go. Let's go ahead and turn this sucker on. This bad boy works perfect. And I think it's a pretty darn good installation if you ask me. Look at that. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Look at that bad boy. Perfect. All right, man, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna get out of here. You wanna pick one of these up, drop down in the description, pick one up from Whitestone Dome. They got all kinds of accessories. But this is one of them. And I think this is good for the cover screen. And it's also case friendly. So you have no issues if you're gonna be rocking a case. Be rocking this Pataka. So you'll be good to go. Yes, sir. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all be good.